Ever wonder why car alarms go off at the oddest times? That's because someone bought the new car alarm clock. The new alarm clock that's built to look just like a real car.
Good morning.
Morning?
That way it's loud enough to wake even the heaviest of sleepers, plus a few of their neighbors. Making sure that everyone will help you get up. No need for a snooze button. By the time you've gotten up, put on your shoes, and walked outside, you'll be wide awake.
I have to work the early shift.
Going away on a business trip? Why waste your time with those flimsy travel alarm clocks when you can actually drive there in your car alarm clock? The new car alarm clock. Available with 6.9% financing.